that didn't work. The wind knocked my camera over. I was going to try to get some footage of plowing some snow here. I'm trying to be real careful because it's just mud underneath. So, lost some footage there. Alright, so there's no point in plowing this stuff. The sun is so warm this time of year and it's just mud underneath. I don't want to make more work for myself cleaning things up this spring. Alright guys, the snow's melting here again. Just doing a dry fit here on this canopy for this 395. I'm not sure how I want to go about mounting this on here. Like I say, it's not the right canopy for this roll bar. A little bit of fabrication that needs to be done to get this thing fitted and get it on here. So you guys will remember where I left you as far as this project goes. I just had to get those pieces cut out of there. We got those pieces cut out. So I have the back sitting on the roll bar back here. And I left that piece on the back there just to help give it some stability maybe. I don't know. This isn't the right roll bar for this tractor. I'm not sure if I have to slide the whole thing back a little bit to get it a little bit more supported. Basically, like I say, there's 4 holes in the top of this roll bar to try to get bolts in. The only thing is, all you're doing is clamping sheet metal to the roll bar. So the canopy itself is only supported by 4 bolts up there. And I'm not sure it's going to be solid enough when you're bouncing around and stuff through the field. I don't know. This is just a dry fit. I figured I was going to do an update, so I might as well take you guys along. The way these roll bars work, the actual ones from Case or aftermarket ones, you have these holes here up on the side that the roll bar, now you can't see on the 685, this has all the plastic underneath it, but it basically bolts up top, and then it's also supported on the sides here. So I don't know, I'm just looking at this now. It's not going to be as simple as I had originally thought, I don't think. I don't know, it's just a dry fit. You'll notice how I got an extra pair of hands here in the shop. When you're working by yourself, these ratchet straps come in handy. So it's held up there now. I want to see where these holes line up and see about drilling these holes for the bolts. They are pretty big bolts, but I might have to do some more reinforcing on this. Maybe get a piece of steel on the side to catch those 2 holes and then weld it fast up front. I don't know. I'm not sure I like it yet. But we're worried more about function than what it looks like. I don't know. We have to paint it yet once it's fastened down solid. It is a very heavy piece of metal for a canopy. I mean, it took a lot of what I had to get it up there. It's just awkward, is what I should say. It's pretty heavy steel. It's not the modern plastic ones that they sell today. And I guess the only hazards with these canopies on these roll bars is if you do accidentally roll the tractor, you're basically going to crunch the canopy into yourself. But we'll have to see. Like I say, just doing a dry fit here. Figured I'd show you guys the update on where I am. I do have it cut out. I do have it sitting in place. We'll have to revisit this maybe. So a little bit of tweaking yet. It's not quite, we're not quite there yet, I guess. So, and it's so dark in here. Hopefully this shows up. But all right, guys, thanks for watching.